Today's video, we're going to show you the difference between a Chinese Grom SP extension and the kit that we make. There's a lot of differences. Mainly it's fitment and quality of parts. So this is a Chinese one that we got. We cover the name up. As you can see, it's big difference in size. 4 holes, that's great, but when you put it on top, it's not quite the stretch. That it's about another inch. We don't have these little fancy cutouts. So the main thing is, this is, you guys can't feel this, but this is significantly lighter, and this is 6061 billet. We do make this in-house. So these are our kits. We're going to show you a couple things. First off is the bolts. So China gives you, as you can see, some nice, that's not stainless steel at all. This right here, let's see here, I mean, it's not sticking. Nope. Okay, we'll put here. I mean, that's, they're not using stainless steel bolts. Another thing that we have is this right here is a 12mm axle. It's not one from Grom, but they're all the same. So if we mic this out, we can see that it is indeed 11 point. It's not going to be 12 exactly. Kind of, let me see if I can reset this. 0. So take this off. Doesn't seem to fit, does it? I mean, you can tell it would slide through. You can hear it working. So you would have to take this and drill it to see if you can get it to fit. Here's ours. Looks like it fits to me. You don't have to hammer it in. This right here is a 2022 swing arm for 100 gram, brand new. We use this for our test. So they give you these little stoppers. And here's our stoppers. They basically work the same. The difference is they're using a, it looks like an M10 bolt. They're a nice metal one. And we use an M12 bolt. On an SP, you can tell it's an SP because it does have this plate in here and it's welded on. So this is their stopper. It does not fit whatsoever. Let's see if you can put a, nope. Let's see if it fits on this side. So it's about a 1/16 inch bigger. So you're gonna have to go in and grind all this down to see if it fits. Here's our stopper. Fits pretty good. Both sides. No, you don't want up and down movement. There's no up and down movement. I mean, I'm moving it. There's this one doesn't even fit. And here's the tool. Yes, ours looks similar. Here's their tool. That this is what they give you to tie in their piece. But I'm gonna have him see if he can. It fits on one side, but not on. Well, this one doesn't even fit. So I'm gonna put this down. Maybe he can. Okay, that side fits. Oh, okay. So I got it to fit by pushing it in super hard. Here's ours. Nice and easy. Fits right in. And last but not least is the difference between the caliper brackets. So we did test this. We're not going to do it in the video, but this will not, your tab on your caliper will not fit on here. So this is what you do. You usually put this here, and the tab moves over on the bolt, and naturally their stuff doesn't work, so I can't really test it, but the caliper is actually over here based on the stretch. And as you would know, when you put this in like this, we'll say you're going to want to go with, as most people do, the most stretch. You can put the caliper here. Your caliper is actually going to be right here. It's not even going to attach to this. We've tried all different lengths and it does not work. With ours, another part too that they didn't tell you, if you want to come around here, I don't know if you can get this. This has two weld spots, so when you tighten this up, it's gonna go like, it's gonna be like this. They didn't make the revisions so that it fits flush like ours. So we cut this out to accommodate for these welds, and we made it large enough depending on how thick this weld was. So this would fit flush, and it actually goes out far enough for our mount. So you get more of a stretch. This goes out and it fits flush. Ours were made in-house. We have a video on our website showing us making them. They're anodized here in the United States as well, using architectural anodizing. So this just goes to show you, yes, we know that you can buy these dirt cheap, but if you want to spend hours grinding, well, we already know this doesn't even fit. Drilling 2 holes to make bigger, grinding your tool so for it to fit. Okay. And not having the stretch that you need. Go ahead. Also too, ours comes with the chain, and we tell you how many links you need to remove from the chain. No chain with ours. And as I said before, if you want to have bolts that rust, actually this bolt is the main bolt that goes here. So as you know, it's just going to pull up in here with water, and it's just going to rust. Our bolt, it's got markings on it. It's an A2 stainless. This is just a chrome piece of metal bolt. So I hope you enjoyed our video. There we have, showing the difference between parts, ours that works, or some cheap Chinese part that does not work. And again, we didn't weigh it. This is significantly, this is alloy, as stated on their site, aluminum alloy. I think it's just cast aluminum that they mill. Or ours is 6061 billet aluminum. Big difference in weight too. Thank you for watching.